Good morning, welcome to your 10 a.m. daily weather briefing. We have some cloudy conditions out there this morning. Temperatures chilly in the mid-30s to upper 30s across the peninsula. Going to see some rain showers move in for late this afternoon in the evening hours, and even could see some wet snowfall across the central and northern Delmarva for this evening. At Wallops, could just see a few sleet pellets or a few wet snowflakes mixing at the very beginning, but overall a rain event at Wallops. Taking a look at our sounding from this morning, a freezing level at 700 feet, winds out of the northwest throughout the column. Seeing light winds in the low levels and increasing fairly uniformly throughout the column, seeing 31 knots at 6,000 feet, 56 knots at 12,000 feet, 76 knots at 20,000 feet, and then seeing a peak wind this morning out of the northwest at 107 knots at 25,000 feet. Taking a look at our current surface analysis, we have high pressure remaining in control over the area. A warm front is going to move through this evening, associated with an area low pressure that's going to swing through for tomorrow, and that's going to give us this rainfall for this evening into the overnight hours. Some of that could be moderate at times. As I mentioned, could even see some wet snowfall across the central and northern Delmarva. So taking a look at the satellite imagery this morning, you can see this is the near-infrared IR shortwave imagery, seeing some upper-level cloud cover across the region, as well as some cloud cover around 4,000 to 6,000 feet across the area. So taking a look at the HRRR model for today, you're going to see that cloud cover in abundance, and then we'll see that rainfall move in after, most likely after 4 o'clock or 1600 local, and then seeing a possibility of seeing some mixing or some wet snowfall across the central Delmarva this evening. Could see a coating across the area, mainly north of Wicomico County, but could see Wicomico County see some light accumulation if the snowfall does actually occur. Still in question whether the atmosphere is cool enough with the precipitation coming in this evening to see any snowfall. Going to be a borderline situation for Wicomico County. Most likely, if you're going to see any accumulation of snowfall, it will be north of the Delaware-Maryland line, but can't rule it out across Wicomico County. South of that, just going to see mainly rainfall with the possibility of a few sleet pellets or wet snowflakes mixing in. We move overnight, though, going to see that rainfall anywhere from light to moderate across the region, and then the rainfall should be out of here by about after 10 o'clock tomorrow morning. So taking a look at the European model the next few days, you can see that rain-snow line very similar to the HRRR and the 3-kilometer as well as the NAM. So a fairly good agreement in the models of where that rain-snow line is going to be for the beginning of the event tonight, and then quickly changing over to rain after midnight. Going to see that rainfall continuing overnight. Tuesday is going to be a fairly mild day. Here's Tuesday evening. Low pressure off the coast. Going to see some snowfall across the northeast states into the Great Lakes, but overall going to see 50s tomorrow across the peninsula. Looks like, especially southern half peninsula, is going to see the 50s, even maybe a few mid-50s. So fairly nice day out there. Then Wednesday, going to see a little bit of a cooler air mass move in the region. That's going to set the stage as another upper level disturbance moves across the southeast states. Models have had a very tough time with this system and putting out many different solutions for Thursday. Right now, the European is sticking to a light snowfall event across the Wallops region with much colder air mass moving into the region, and that's going to probably give us, if this model were to be right, with this solution, a light accumulation for Thursday morning. But overall, we'll continue to monitor the situation for Thursday, as right now models are really showing multiple different outcomes for this system. And we'll just continue to monitor it as this area low pressure moves off the coast for Thursday. Then we'll see a much colder air mass move in for Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. We'll see very cold, low-level temperatures moving in from eastern Canada into the northeast states. It's a good pattern for cold weather across the Delmarva, and even Friday could see a brief snow shower as this system or upper-level disturbance pivots over the northeastern states with that cold air mass moving in. Can't rule that out. Saturday is going to be a very cold day across the region. Could struggle to get above freezing for Saturday. And then for Sunday, going to see a area low pressure move into the Midwest and a warm front moving out ahead of that. That could bring in some rain or snow showers for Sunday. Right now, if it is snow, it would just be the timing of the precipitation moving in. If it's a little bit quicker with this precipitation shield, could see some snowfall at the beginning and then transitioning to rainfall fairly quickly. So taking a look at our risk chart for today, we'll have that rainfall likely after 1600 local through tomorrow morning. A low this evening around 36, high today at 44. We'll see light winds overall out of the east today, and then picking up overnight as that warm front moves through the region east 9 to 14 knots, gusting to 19 knots by tomorrow morning. We'll see those low-level clouds in here as well for this evening, and most likely seeing that below 500 feet if we do by Tuesday at 8 local. Our 24-hour terminal forecast is going to see VFR conditions through at least late afternoon, and we'll see some low-level cloud cover building in with those rain showers in the region, especially after 1800 local. And then overnight, we'll see clouds below 1,000 feet. And by tomorrow morning, could see some restricted visibilities as well as cloud cover below 500 feet. And Tuesday looks like a very cloudy day across the region. We move into Tuesday and Wednesday with abundant low cloudiness. Looks likely a chance of some morning showers and possibly some patchy drizzle throughout the day as well. We'll see that mild high of 52, however, and look like the rain shower chances about 45 to 50% during the morning. So a decent chance of seeing some rain showers in the morning and then clearing out in the afternoon, rain-wise, but we'll still see that cloud cover across the region. For Tuesday night, going to see mostly to partly cloudy skies, chance of low clouds and fog, especially early overnight, a low of 39. And for Wednesday, partly to mostly cloudy, chilly, and slightly breezy, a high of 50. We'll see a green chart across the board for our Wednesday. So the next 7 days, looking at that rain likely this evening into the early morning hours of Tuesday, then cloudy Tuesday, 53, 50 on Wednesday. Right now, looks like shouldn't see that cold air move in as quickly on Wednesday, but can't rule out seeing temperatures only reaching the upper 40s for Wednesday. I'm seeing a 45% chance of that AM snow shower excuse me, for Thursday morning, and then sunny conditions as that area low pressure quickly moves off the coast. That strong high moves in there from the west or the northwest, and that's going to give us cold conditions for Friday and Saturday. Can't rule out that flurry or snow shower on Friday, but looks like probably only about a 10% of that occurring. And then we'll see temperatures starting to moderate by late in the weekend, with temperatures near 43 on Sunday, with a 60% chance of some rainfall. As I mentioned, really depends on the timing of that precipitation shield, as if we get any snowfall occurring with that before it transitions to rain. Well, that's going to complete our 10 a.m. weather briefing. I hope everybody has a great day. Back tomorrow morning at 8:15 and 10 a.m.